opening 5 minutes of the game. Isaac Ogwang, Police Football Club striker, their top scorer in the second division. Katongole Heights. Chance there for Omedi to go in for the second test, controlled by Dennis Omedi. Looking for the support. Dennis Omedi almost ball given away to Ivan Eyam. At least pick up something in the opening 30 minutes of the game. Gwang! Punched by the goalkeeper and a rebound! Gadafika Chanchu opens up the account for the Cops away from home. Second goal for Police Football Club, and again they have scored at the Rose Park here. That was a perfect set piece from Isaac Ogwang. That of course seemed to be that heavy for the goalkeeper to save, and Jamil Chimba has gifted Gaddafi Kachanchu the first goal. Police Football Club are leading up against Kitara Football Club at the Rose Park in Hoima City. That was well taken, well struck.